Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate October's monthly spread in my classic size catch-all. This is the Happy Planner dashboard layout, but just the monthly. I'm going to use Blush and Cozy. These are some stickers that are available in my shop. And then I picked two quotes from Amber Plans Her Days Faith Essentials. This book is currently sold out, but I did talk to Amber the other day, and she is seriously considering restocking. So she's going to let me know if and when she decides to do that. So let's take, what do I want to use? I think I'm going to use my small sheet and not use the large sheet. It's really hard to use a large sheet in a monthly spread. So I think we're just going to use the small sheet. And these are the clear stickers. I'm kind of liking the white matte stickers more now, but we're just going to use these because these are what I already had ready for myself to use. So I'm going to put this stack of sweaters here beside this. And I'm actually going to move it down some and cut off the bottom because it looks kind of large compared to that little vase when you put them side by side. So all right, let's take, so what I normally do off camera is I take my tweezers and I kind of just rub down the sticker so that it looks like it's printed on the paper instead of being a sticker. So I don't know if you can tell that on camera, but there is a difference. All right, and now I think I'm going to take, I think I want to do this quote somewhere. I'm going to do this quote up top here, and then maybe we'll decorate around the quotes. I'm just using regular kitchen wax paper to put my stickers on before I use them. Love that. Okay. Let's see. I kind of want to take this bow and put it over top of this quote. I like how that looks. This is the beauty of using clear stickers because you can layer them and still see the designs behind the sticker. All right, now, I'm not sure if I'm going to use boxes or not, but I do kind of want to decorate my bottom corners. So we're going to take this stack of pumpkins and lay down here in this corner. I do have a new release coming to my shop October 1st. That's this Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern. All the products are already on my website to preview. And that fall 30 in all capital letters, fall and the number 30, that code is still active through the end of October. I did extend it for everybody. So feel free to use that with the new release. Current turnaround times on orders right now are between 3 and 5 business days. Generally speaking, they're around 3 business days, but I do try to give myself 5 just in case. Depends on like the influx of orders as to how long it takes me to get those orders filled, because everything is printed and cut here by hand. None of this is pre-stocked. Look how cute that is. And then I think I want to take this quote and put it somewhere here, maybe here. It says, with God all things are possible, Matthew 19:26. Now I can't get it off my wax paper. Okay. That's cute. And then we'll just kind of smooth that down as well. Love it. Okay. Look how pretty that is, just with that little bit of decor. All right, so now maybe I'll try to put it in some boxes. So I have a list. So the 1st, the 5th, the 6th, and the 30th. So let's just go with the first. Now these boxes are a little bit large for the monthly layout, but I always kind of like to stagger my boxes anyway, so it's perfect for me. The 1st, the 5th, and the 6th. So I'm only going to put one here. I'm not going to put one on the 6th. The 6th is my oldest son's 25th birthday. 25 already. That's wild. And then the 30th, my oldest son, whose birthday is on the 6th, has a court date for a speeding ticket. Woohoo! Okay. I'm going to take this envelope here, and I want to put it like with this box. I'm going to try to get this box up a little bit so I can kind of put the envelope underneath. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. And maybe just a couple more things. I don't need a whole lot. I think we'll take this, it looks like iced coffee maybe, and put right beside this brown box. Okay, that's cute. And what else? I think I'm going to stick another box over here just to kind of even things out. So we're just going to take one of these brownish colored ones, and we're going to just kind of stick it maybe here. And we're going to go the opposite direction as the other boxes. And then I want to take this cute little mug, and I think we're going to just tuck it underneath the edge of this box. Whoa. That's cute. Okay. And then off camera, I'll smooth everything down. So I think this is like really cute, and I didn't do a whole lot to it. I mean, I could add more things. I actually think I might want to add a box here. So let's do that. Let's add an orange one. Like right there. And then we can just stick a decor piece kind of tucked in behind that box. I shouldn't have laid it all the way down yet. Take this little bundle here and just put right back there. All right, that's cute. I don't think I'm going to do any washi or highlighting or anything. I kind of just like my monthlies to stay simple. So I think that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget, October 1st, 9 a.m. Eastern Time at SoGracefullyBroken.com. You can use that code FALL and the number 30 to save 30% off your entire purchase. So that's it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.